Hey guys, Brandon with Great Escapes RV Center with a quick tip to save you a trip to the dealership. So the issue you're having is you're trying to watch TV but you're not getting any channels, but your neighbor has TV just fine. While this can be aggravating, it may not warrant technical work needed. What we'll need to find is our booster button. If you look, it's off. I'm not going to get any antenna signal with that. If I push it, I notice a little green light comes on. Now I'm ready to watch over-the-air antenna. Also, if I wanted to watch cable, I'll need to make sure that it is off without a light. Now I can watch cable from the park. But again, if I needed to watch antenna, I'm going to push the button on and make sure my green light is on. Therefore, ensuring that my booster is on, and I'm going to get TV just like my neighbors. This is Brandon with your quick tip to save you a trip.